Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to model a sphericon pendant in Maya 2022 just like this. See this one. Our final result will be just like this one. To render this I have taken a HDRI image. I put a link on the description box for this HDRI image. So take a new scene, go to file, new scene, go to front view, take a polygon cone, press T on your keyboard. This will pop up your polygon cone option box. Type radius 2, subdivision axis type here 8, subdivision height type here 5. Again go to perspective view. To turn this off, again just click here. Go to face selection mode, select this face, delete the bottom face. Again go to front view, go to object mode, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and rotate this one 180 degree along z-axis. Press X on your keyboard and move this one down just here. Select these two objects, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Again go to vertex selection mode, select all the vertices, click merge. Now again go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to face selection mode, select this face, go to edit mesh, click extract, go to object mode, select this one, press D or insert key, press V to snap the pivot point at the center of your object. Again press D or insert key and rotate this one 90 degree along x-axis. Again select these two objects, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Again vertex selection mode, select all the vertices, click merge. Now again edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to face selection mode, select this face, shift double click, this face, shift double click, this one, shift double click. Go to perspective view. With selected this three face line, go to edit mesh, click average vertices and average several times. Now go to object mode, again go to face selection mode, edit mesh, click extract. This will extract your face. Go to object mode, select this one and move this one here. Now select this one, go to mesh, click separate, select this one and hide. Now select this, go to multicut tool, click one point here, press shift plus control and click one point here and another point here. Press enter. Do the same for the other end. Now go to edge selection mode, select this edge and also this edge, and this one. Press shift on your keyboard and click delete edge, shift right click and delete edge. Go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Again go to edge selection mode, select this edge and also this one, edit mesh, click bridge, bridge all the edge with each other. Now go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Again take multicut tool, click one point here, press shift plus control, one point here, one here, one here, one here, and the final one here. Press enter. Now select this face, shift double click, this one, shift double click. Click extrude, type offset 0.1 or type here offset 0.08. Go to object mode, select this face, shift double click, press delete. Again go to object mode, unhide your other part, this one, select this one, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and rotate this one 90 degree along x-axis. Again rotate 180 degree, minus 180 degree along y-axis. Go to front view, move this one here, move this one here in its position. Again go to perspective view and see. Now go to modify, click freeze transformation, hide this one, select this one, press delete. Now unhide this one, select this one, type 0 along translate x-axis. This will move this one in its previous position. Now go to vertex selection mode, select these vertices, shift double click, this one, shift double click, go to edit mesh, click chamfer vertices and wide, type here 0.5. Again select all the vertices, click merge. Now click extrude, keep face together off, offset type here 0.05 and delete the face. Go to object mode, again click extrude and extrude them down. Go to object mode, mesh display, click reverse. Now select this one, scale tool, go to modify, click center pivot and scale slightly, just like this. Hide this one and also this one. Go to face selection mode, select this face, shift double click and delete the face as shown. Now go to object mode, unhide the other part. Now select all, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to edge selection mode, select this edge, shift select this edge, go to edit mesh, click breeze, breeze all the other edge. I skip the video. Now all edges are breezed successfully. Go to mesh tool, open insert edge loop option, reset the tool, select multiple edge loop, number of edge loop type here 1 and insert one edge loop here, one here. Again go to multicut tool, click one point here and one here, press enter. Now go to face selection mode, select this face and also this one, click extrude, offset type here 0.15 and delete the face. Now select this edge, click circularize, this will circularize your edge. Go to object mode, go to mesh, open smooth option, type here division 3, click smooth. Now see the effect. See the sphericon pendant modeling which I have told you about. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.